Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Trending Products. Today in this video I am going to tell you about 5 best and cool home security gadgets on Amazon. But before that, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for updates. Let's start. On number 1, UltraLoq U-Bolt Pro. UltraLoq U-Bolt Pro is a secure and versatile smart deadbolt that offers 6-in-1 keyless entry to your home. Means through fingerprint, anti-peep keypad, smartphone, auto lock, shake to open and mechanical key. You can type in any number of random digits and can still gain access as long as the one correct password is embedded in the longer set of numbers. Locks automatically as you leave and unlock when you arrive. You can grant access to your family's guests or service people via code or an e-key for permanent access, specific dates or periods of time. Dual data encryption make it impossible to unlock your door without your permission. On number 2, Arlo Video Doorbell. Arlo is a smarter way to see who's at the door even at night with the night vision. See a person from head to toe or a package on the ground with 180-degree viewing angle. Hear and speak to visitor at your door with clear two-way audio and respond with pre-recorded quick reply messages when you are busy. It is alert sensitive, so you can receive notification when motion is detected for people, packages, vehicle and animal with included 3-month trial of Arlo Smart. It is built to withstand the heat, cold, rain or sun. Number 3, VAVA Cam Pro. Monitor your home 24/7 with infrared technology of Cam Pro. So be highly sensitive to any unusual action and take super clarity videos. The footage is based on PIR motion sensor and triggered from human movements. So when motion is detected, you can receive the notification and activate alarm for abnormal actions. It is 100% wireless, so it's durable indoors and outdoors, reliable in rain and shine. Also, it is waterproof and have a high-performance rechargeable battery with 5000 mAh capacity. It has two-way audio communication and bank-level data encryption while dealing with personal data or video footage. On number 4. August Smart Lock Pro. August Pro can control and monitor your door from anywhere, so you can lock and unlock your door, control keyless access and keep track of who comes and goes, all from your phone. With your phone in your pocket, simply open the door through Bluetooth. August Pro will also automatically lock the door behind you after you leave. Only August has door sense technology to tell you if your door is securely closed or locked. Also, it works with Alexa for voice control to make easy access. On number 5. Light Bulb Camera. The bulb has built-in a 360-degree fish-eye camera with 1080p HD and 2 megapixel, which can capture a full and clear picture or video for you. Download the 360 Eyes app and add the panoramic bulb camera to your phone. Then you can control the light camera anytime, anywhere. The panoramic bulb camera allows you to communicate with your family and your pets when you are away, with night vision and IR motion detection function, any time of day or night. Motion picture will be detected by bulb camera and sent to your mobile app to facilitate timely to remind you of various conditions. Get the links in the description box, and if you like the video then subscribe the channel and give the thumbs up. Thanks for watching.